With the conveyor fully sanitized beneath them, the fresh pork legs enter the first wash stage, coarse rinsing with low-pressure water to remove surface debris.
Distillates. After the low-pressure rinse removes the rough surface residue, the fresh pork legs move immediately into the fine.
With the fresh pork legs now deeply rinsed, the next chamber adds ozone disinfection, killing microbes.
Once ozone treatment is complete, the fresh pork legs emerge cleaner and safer and are presented for the next manual-assisted detail step. With elasticity measured for each fresh pork leg, the system can now decide any leg outside the acceptable range is removed in the next step.
Automation now adds the base spices, a bank of small stainless spice canisters with
With the salt now settled on the surface of the fresh pork leg, the line feeds directly into a muscle massage station.
With racks of fresh pork legs inside the curing room, the system immediately enforces the next step, maintaining the room precisely at 2 to 4 degrees Celsius.
Früher people took those in their staples agridacias. Anders was is course, the Kirzi, inti.
As salt penetrates deeper into the fresh pork legs, biochemical changes begin, setting up the next step.
After the second massage equalized the cure on the fresh pork legs, the system must verify seasoning balance, leading into saltiness control.
Once saltiness is verified for the fresh pork legs, the curing schedule becomes the focus. Automation tracks the exact marination time next.
With curing time are actively monitored for the fresh pork legs. The serum immediate look legs.
With excess drip removed, the curing fresh pork legs can develop cleaner flavor, setting the stage for the base aroma to form naturally.
Racing. As the base flavor profile stabilizes in the curing fresh pork legs, the process approaches its planned endpoint.
The system signals end of the curing stage for this batch of fresh pork legs. Rack status lights shift from curing to
The cured fresh pork legs are now inside the drying area, ready for the next defined drying steps you will provide.
Step 62 continues seamlessly.
Step 63. The drying chamber's airflow system engages. Giant stainless ducts above and behind the hanging fresh pork leg.
With the surface now set on the fresh pork legs, the system can lock in shape. Automation ensures each.
Step 66, shape fixation happens while the fresh pork legs hang. Robotic alignment arms briefly approach each fresh. On the list. Step 69, the drying control system manage adjusting airflow and humidity.
Some right view. With odor verified for the drying fresh pork legs, the factory now transitions them into the next major stage.
Inside the buffer chamber with fresh pork legs staged, the system's next job is thermal stabilization, bringing every leg to a consistent starting temperature for smoking.
Overhead sensors read surface temperature on each hanging fresh pork leg, while vents and heat exchange panels.
With every hanging point verified secure for the fresh pork legs, the drying section is formally sealed off. Next. With logging complete for the fresh pork legs, the system is now fully cleared. Doors ahead can open to the smoking room.
Step 84. Smoke distribution starts. Smoke spreads evenly through the smoking chamber's stainless plenum and
As the fresh pork legs begin absorbing aroma, strict thermal limits must be enforced. Next, the system locks. Step 86, the chamber's thermal control system actively keeps temperature below 30 degrees Celsius while smoking the hanging fresh pork legs.
Step 88, the smoking chamber enters stable pressure mode. Pressure sensors and relief valves keep the chamber at a...
With smoke colorant now actively monitored on the fresh pork legs, the process is poised for the next smoking. Step 92, the chamber shifts into warm smoking mode. The smoke generator routing changes. With proteins lightly setting in the fresh pork legs, fat begins to respond next, warming and starting to render, which will help carry smoke flavor deeper. As fat begins to render in the fresh pork legs, smoke compounds can penetrate more effectively, leading into deeper smoke infusion through the warm surface.
With smoke now penetrating deeper into the fresh pork legs, the hallmark outcome emerges, developing the signature essence. With the signature aroma forming in the fresh pork legs, the process now must hold precisely, maintaining
reverses. As the fresh pork legs cool naturally, internal structure stabilizes, leading into the next step where the product
Now inside the aging area, the fresh pork legs are positioned for controlled hanging during maturation.
With the fresh pork legs hanging in the aging room, environmental control becomes the priority. Temperature is regulated next.
With temperature stabilized around the fresh pork legs, humidity control takes over to support proper maturation.
Step 118 centers on humidity stabilization. Under stable temperature and humidity,
As enzymes continue acting within the fresh pork legs, the physical effect becomes noticeable. Texture begins to soften gradually.
With tenderization underway in the fresh pork legs, the process is ready to continue into the next aging or finishing steps you will provide.
Once positions are rotated for the fresh pork legs, the next check focuses on the product itself. Surface inspection confirms no defects as aging progresses.
with the surface verified on the fresh pork legs, texture quality must be confirmed. Next, the system
After elasticity is measured on the fresh pork legs, sensory aroma tracking continues. Next, the system monitors smell evolution during aging.
If any fresh pork legs show abnormal readings, the system removes them. Next comes the rejection step.
Just a use-stir. As structure completes in the fresh pork legs, the last step in this set is flavor fixation. Locking the
Once aging is officially ended for the fresh pork legs, the next action is gentle cooling.
After gentle cooling, the system holds the batch for a final stabilization, ensuring conditions are uniform before quality recording. With final stabilization complete for the fresh pork legs, the factory now records quality data, logging the measurable results next. Step 135. Automated quality data recording. Each hanging Now certified premium, the fresh pork legs are routed toward the finishing area, moving into the next zone for final product preparation.
users. With the fresh pork legs now inside the finishing department, the line at the threshold of final steps.
With the process completed, the product is now fully realized, revealing the final premium smoked pork leg outcome next.